The unknown beekeeper here. You can see today I set a trap there and I set one there. I have one there, and you probably can't see it, but there's one over there in the neighbor's yard back at the edge of the woods. So we're gonna see if we can catch some swarms. Got that one there just for the heck of it. We added supers to all the boxes today, so all the mediums they had on them already were pretty much full, so we'll be taking them out in a week or two. But we're going to go in here and see what they're doing today. I've got the plexiglass, my webcams, and never could get none of them to work right, so I said the heck with it. We'll just do it this way. Maybe I can go live one day with it, but this is pretty much live right now. Just wanted to show something that I designed. Call it Honeycomb and Bee. I'll put the link in the description if anybody wants to download and print it out. But these guys in here are looking pretty good. Some Swiffer sheets were brand new about 4 or 5 days ago. And you can see they've already did a number on them. But no hive beetles. So whatever I'm doing, or they're doing, is working. But they're, as they say, busy bees. So until next time, everyone, have a good one. Later.